It's so hot today.
I know, the sun is beaming down on us. If only we had some sort of refreshing drink or slushie.
I have an idea. What if I told you that we can make an instant slushy?
What? An instant slushie? No way.
Well, if you want to know how to make a slushy on these hot summer days, just follow our video.
Hi, my name is Keane, a Pueblo Science volunteer, and today I'm joined by my sister.
Hi, I'm Madelene.
And today we'll be teaching you how to make an instant ice-cold slushy right at home with a few simple steps. Today we'll be studying the cooling of water below its freezing point 0 degrees Celsius, and we'll be able to explore this concept while making a delicious ice-cold treat. For this experiment, you will need a snack or small-sized Ziploc bag, a larger Ziploc bag in which the smaller Ziploc bag can fit in, 4 cups of ice cubes, half a cup of salt, 1 cup of your favorite juice. Today we'll be using guava and mango blend, and half a cup of cold water.
The experimental procedure.
We're going to start with placing the ice cubes inside our large Ziploc bag. Then, we're going to place our water inside our Ziploc bag filled with the ice. Then, we'll be adding the salt. Now we mix. Then we place our juice inside the smaller Ziploc bag. Make sure you seal it. Then we place our smaller Ziploc bag with the juice inside our larger Ziploc bag with the cold ice water. Now we wait for 5 minutes. After a short wait, we'll have
Slushies! Yummy!
Now we'll be exploring the science behind it all. The ice cubes start out at about negative 18 degrees Celsius, the temperature of most freezers. As they melt from the addition of salt, the ice cubes absorb energy from the salty water, causing the saltwater solution to cool below 0 degrees Celsius. While pure water freezes at 0 degrees, the salt water doesn't freeze because the salt crystals mixed into the water make it difficult for water molecules to get close enough to form ice crystals. Compared to pure water, more energy needs to be removed from the salt water for ice to form, which means that salt water freezes below 0 degrees Celsius. The cold salt water absorbs this energy from the juice inside the smaller snack bag, causing it to freeze. Because liquids transfer heat more efficiently than gases, the super cold salt water freezes the juice faster than if the bag were to be placed in the freezer with only cold air.
So what did we learn today? Salt water can cool to below 0 degrees Celsius without freezing. Freezing point of water can change depending on its dissolved molecules, and energy and heat can transfer between substances.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed our science experiment video, drop a like down below and subscribe to Pueblo Science.
Bye! Thanks for watching!